I will be unboxing the Gravity Demolition 2-pack by Hasbro. Here's Gravity Destroyer 8145 WD. They recolored it. And here's Inferno Bixus CH120 RS. So here's the codes. Beyblade Mill Masters, Battle Online, and here's the WBBA sticker and the Hasbro sign. And it says it comes with Bay Power parts, so Bay Power, whatever. So let's look in the back. Let it rip. So defense versus balance. So the Bay Power parts are CH120 and RS. So it says awesome performance when you combine Bay Power parts. It says you customize Gravity Destroyer with these Bay Power parts, CH120 and RS, apparently for Bay Power. And it spins left and right for versatile battle tactics, and attach the energy ring 2 ways for different attacks. So, sorry if my voice is weird, I think I'm just a little bit sick. So, there's the launchers. Fixed it. So here's a launcher with the ripcord. Let me just get the ripcord out. Right here. And here's the stickers. And here's Inferno Bixus. It's a really nice black launcher. It's like the ripcord, a bit darker. It comes with orange and AL2. And here are the stickers. So there's that right here, and now I'm gonna get the Beyblades out. Oh, whoa. So here's Gravity Destroyer. Assemble it. Again, counter attack mode. And here's 8145 or 8145 WD here. So let's add that on. And a blue WD. I find it weird how they added this in with the, because it just ruins the color scheme. And now here's Inferno Bixus. It's all yellowish, blackish. For CH120, RS, right here. So I'm going to try to figure out how to sorry, because my hands are greasy from pizza, but yeah, so I don't know. So if anyone knows, please tell me. Because I don't. So I'm going to put on the stickers now. Let's open up the sheet. Here's the sheet. Demolition Force. Here's the side, and just put on the stickers. Here's the sticker sheet, and put on the stickers. I'm probably going to skip this part because it's taking forever. Yay, forever stickers. There's the last sticker. Here's Inferno Bixus. Looks really nice. Now, I'm probably going to do Gravity Destroyer stickers later, so now I'm going to try to figure out how to make this work again. Yes! Finally! I got it on 145 mode. I finally got it to work. Awesome. And it's not like the dark cancer one where it's really loose. So let's try Gravity Destroyer stickers. Maybe later. So let me just assemble the Beyblade and here's all the stuff for Beyblade. Here's the launchers. Here's the other launcher. And here's the ripcords. And here's the sticker sheet and the tools. And the codes. I forgot to show you the codes. You're not getting the code. Oh my gosh. Go, destroyer, everything. Boxes and everything. And thanks for watching this unboxing. 13 minutes? Okay, thanks.